Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can get more FPS in Asetto Corsa. Basically, we are going to fix stuttering and lag. So the first thing that I suggest is to close out background applications. So if you have multiple background applications like myself, I have this thing open up. Basically, I have Discord, I have Riot Games, I have Nvidia, Voice Meter, and a lot more. You just want to make sure to go ahead and close that out in order to allocate more resources onto our game that basically enables it to run smoothly. Now, from there, you also want to try updating your drivers to the latest version. So just go ahead and open up your browser. In here, you then want to search for your graphics card brand. In my case, I'm using Nvidia. So I'll just type Nvidia drivers. Head over to the official webpage, and here having an updated driver enables applications to simply run smoothly. And of course, on the actual Asetto Corsa, you could also try lowering down your graphics. So in here, just make sure that the world detail is going to be set to something like medium, shadow resolution, medium, and you could also go ahead and limit your frame rate into something like 100 FPS, so therefore it won't go ahead and fluctuate and stutter. And so those are the ways on how you can do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.